Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here after a long time, but then I have something to show you here. Okay, so today I'm going to explain you what's the difference between Gmail email and Outlook 365 email, and how to use the template option in your emails. Let's start with this Outlook Office 365 email. Well, to open this one, you have to visit this website outlook.office365.com, and that opens up with an ID password. This page comes up. So if we begin with, let's go to new message, and here you put in your email recipient's address, the subject line, and in the description part, put in the cursor, and then you use this menu option here, my templates, and you see I have some written templates out here. If you want to add one, you just select this plus template and it will give you an option for the subject line and the description part. The subject line is just like the name of the email template. It isn't mean like it's the subject of the email. So let's start using it. And let's pick up this one, reminder 3. Click on it. Okay, so that copied to my email address, to my email. Yeah, pretty much that's it. And I have to add a subject line, and then a person from the address book, and then you can send it. Okay, so this is the thing to use on Outlook 365. Now my personal Outlook account, this is the live.com email. So you just have to log into live.com and then open your Outlook and select the email. So let's go with the new message, and I try to use a template, my templates. I haven't added one, so I'm just using it the uh, email that's already in there. Okay, see this? You just copied that email, details to the email description box, and I use a subject, and I use a two-person. Okay, and then you can send it. Okay, moving on to the Gmail. Here you go, new email, and then you press this more options, can responses. See here, it doesn't mean a template, but it has a can response. You have to use the can response if you want to add a template to your Gmail account. And now, okay, it's asking me to save this email draft as a template. Let's do that. Copy, come back to Gmail, paste it, subject, let's say follow up. Okay, and wow, that's my Grammarly. It's better to use a Grammarly. It picks up your errors. Should always use that one. Okay, right, now use this as a can response template. Save draft as template, save as new template. See, it's picking up the subject line as the name of your template and save it. Okay, and let's check that if it has been saved. Delete this email, start a new one, and use a template from can response, follow up. You see, what's the best thing? You see, the name of the template is picked up as the subject of your email. That's a good thing. I didn't have to add a subject line. It just picks up that thing, and I just make some changes, add a recipient, and move on. Okay, talking about the difference. Well, um, in an Office 365 Outlook email, you definitely would have more space than your personal account. And the other best thing is you will have an access to a lot of applications from Microsoft with an Office 365 account. You see this Yammer, the Planner, the Stream, the Power Apps, the Teams. You don't have Kaizala. Yeah, you don't have those things in your personal Outlook. This is a free version, so we just have forms like Google Forms. We have Scribe, but flowchart, but none of the things that we have in an Office 365. Yeah, few things. I'm sorry, few things. Yeah, not everything. Excel, PowerPoint, the basic things, I would say, that's available in your personal Outlook. Now, in your Gmail, you definitely would have access to Google Drive applications, a lot more things, uh, be it a personal Gmail account or be it a corporate one. And what's the best thing in Gmail and in Office 365? Well, I haven't used all the features of Office 365, but I can tell you in your Gmail, you will have one best thing that really works for you. You don't send out emails all over the day or whenever it's required to a recipient. So they have this feature, schedule send. You see this? That's definitely not available in Office 365 yet. Let's use that. Oh, it's asking for recipient. Let's put one. Say this thing. Okay, I have a recipient. Now I try to schedule a send. Okay, it's asking me for the date and time when I would like to send, and you can pick it up. Okay, so it says scheduling send. Now that email was scheduled. Okay, I did that undo because I don't really want to send anything to them. Okay, forget that. All right, so that's one best thing, and yeah, you definitely don't have that option in Outlook yet. Yeah, we have a meeting, scheduling a meeting, but we don't have a scheduling an email option yet in Outlook 365. All right, guys. So pretty much that's all for this session. If I find something new, I'm definitely going to come up with that in your next session. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a great day.